Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This Kingston 19 property is being sold under the powers of private treaty and is being sold as is, where is. Constructed on this property is a two-story residence that has the following accommodation. Ground floor has a double carport, entrance porch, living room, dining room, kitchen, office, TV room, two bedrooms which are served by two full bathrooms, powder room, laundry room, storeroom, and a rear porch. Access to the upper floor is via a flight of timber staircase that leads into a landing area, which opens into a large family room, kitchen, four bedrooms, which are served by two shower bathrooms, and a master bedroom with a bathroom en suite, walk-in closet, and front balcony. Two linen closets and another from the front balcony. There is also an incomplete staircase which will access the upper floor and roof. This property has a beautiful view of the city of Kingston. The land area of this house is 9,217 square feet. Welcome to your dream home. Other features of this home includes easy access, view of the city, quiet area, paved road, fully walled, fully fenced, and terrazzo tiling. The asking price of this house is Jamaican $36 million or US $231,000. Now, let's take a look at this property and remember, please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.